Hello, everyone. This is André Hedlund, and I'm here for another Gallery Teacher Masterclass on learner independence and promoting metacognition in your EFL classroom. Do you know why this is important and why you should attend this event? Well, we understand that learning requires both ends to actually hold your part of the deal. It's not just about the teacher and teaching and direct instruction, but it's about the learner and being more self-efficacious and doing the things that are necessary for them to learn more effectively. So basically, doing some of the hard work. And if you understand those notions, those concepts, if you understand how metacognition can help you, I'm sure that you're going to help your students become more independent and learn more effectively. So don't miss it.